This is a BMW D35 for sale. I don't know how many hours it's done. On the hour meter over here, it says 1500. Seems a bit low to me, but nevertheless, I think it's more than that. It's only just been serviced about in December. Cost a couple of grand for a service. It's got new belts, new filters, new oil and whatnot. It starts really well. It was originally fitted to a Cat 1 boat, so you can see it's got two oil filters and whatnot. The only issue is that right now is that the heat exchanger, this little thing right here, leaks. So whoever buys this boat needs to remedy the heat exchanger. It leaks slowly, so it takes about an hour for it to empty. So yeah, so what I'll do now is I'm going to start it up, and you'll see that you can't see that it's cold, but it is cold. I can give you my word. Factory is a little bit flat, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, let's have a look. All right. There you go, let's see, it starts okay. Good starting engine. Just a bit old, that's all. So she needs to go, the old girl. She's done us well, but she needs to go. So yeah, for sale to a good home.